This is San Francisco's most popular mall, and I'm going to show you around. It's the Stonestown Galleria in the southwest section of the city. We're going to start on the second floor around the food court because, well, I love food, and my microphone is working. Good. All right, that's always good to have an audio check at the beginning. Okay, so this is not San Francisco's biggest mall. That honor goes to the former Westfield San Francisco, now known as the San Francisco Centre, but that mall pretty much dead, where this mall really lively. I'm here on a Sunday at 6 p.m., and boy, it was actually really hard to park. This place is so busy. Up here in the food court, we have premium matcha cafe. Maiko selling lots of Japanese green tea, desserts, ice creams, matcha drinks. Over here, we've got a doner and grill for doner kebabs. We've got Taco Mania with tacos, birria ramen, tacos al pastor, aqua frescas. There wouldn't be a mall food court without a Panda Express, would it? Home of the famous orange chicken. Next door, we've got the Shilin night snacks, Taiwanese food over here. You can get boba tea. You can get the extra large crispy chicken breast and thigh. Over in the center, we have the Artly Barista bot. What's the Artly Barista bot? Is that a coffee shop made by a robot? It sure is. Let's look at this robot. This is, I guess, one of them. This is the barista robot. The other one looks like it's actually making a drink over here. Yeah, it's pouring the drink right there. Okay, what's it gonna do next? This is pretty cool. I mean, San Francisco is the big tech hub, right? So that's why we're gonna have a barista robot. What's it gonna pour in there? Is it gonna pour it in the cup? Let's see it. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna shake it up. It's gonna stir it. And there we go. That's a lot of fun. Okay, the current waiting time is 6 minutes, says the sign, for your drink. All right, you can see the parking lot out there. Very, very busy out there in the parking lot. We've got great steak, America's premier cheesesteak. We've got Blondie's Pizza, a San Francisco institution. How much is a slice of pizza at Blondie's? $8.99. Includes a soda, and these are like really big, thick pieces of pizza if you're looking to get really full. That's it. We've got Ike's Love and Sandwiches that has this like ridiculous 1,000 sandwiches you can order. Red Ninja coming soon for some Japanese food. This mall is definitely in a big state of remodel. Lots of new things opening. Down at the bottom that we're going to get to, they've got a round one. You can see the bowling pin right there. The Japanese arcade bowling alley chain. Speaking of bowling, we've got Poke Bowling. It's Poke Bowl. Does he get it? Bowling. See how I connected that there? Wasn't that clever? I know that was pretty clever. Uncle Tetsu Japanese cheesecake that has these really good cheesecakes that they bake fresh here on the cheesecakes. Thank you so much. All right, and here's a little toy-tastic with lots of little cute toys. Pop Mart vending machine. Maybe the Pop Mart star is coming soon here too, the home of the La Boo Boo. Okay. Kura Revolving Sushi on the right-hand side. A rotating sushi joint where your sushi goes round and round and round and round, and you can just kind of like pick it up off the conveyor belt. We can see in this place a little bit better when we get over here, but you can see all the seats are on the side of the conveyor belt, and you just pick it up as it goes by. You can also special order them, and then they'll come up on the conveyor on the top. Now, there's a couple of like sit-downish kind of restaurants over here. Le Soleil, the sun, I guess. But this place is a like tiger prawns. They've got like laksa. It looks like a Singaporean style restaurant to me. So I've not eaten there, but I did see laksa on the menu, so that sounds interesting. We've got Supreme Dumplings over here on the left, specializing in xiaolongbao, the soup dumplings, and you can see them making them over here, kind of like Din Tai Fung does in the corner, making up the buns. I saw on the menu they had a chocolate xiaolongbao. Hey, that sounds tasty. Chocolate, like everything's better with chocolate, right? I think so. Okay, This is an interesting spot here. This is a custom hot pot spot that you go down the line and pick up ingredients that you want for your hot pot. And so you can see some of the finished hot pots over here.
I got you a lot of
But,
stuff, Hannah.
they got like all these different ingredients in here, and you pick them up and go and put them in your bowl, and then they cook it up for you. I've never seen a place like this, like a shopping mall go down the line hot pot. So this is pretty unique in a mall food court. Here's the like seafood, here's the meat, here's the beef. Build your own perfect bowl of malatang. And in the line, they say the wait, if you were waiting in the line there, was 30 minutes when the line is that long. That's a long time for some hot pot. Okay, so we'll walk this way on the second floor, and then we'll head down to the first floor. What do we got up here? We've got a lot of your standard mall stores. We've got Zumiez, kind of a skateboard style youth culture shop, a custom t-shirt place. Get your Christmas K-pop Demon Hunter shirt, and you can see it this way. Get your Labubu Christmas shirt. All right, those are fun designs. H&M, 2nd Street. We can definitely see the vibrant part of this mall is about the food, and there are a lot of restaurants that are here. We've got a Daiso. That's like the Japanese 100 yen store. So everything in there, well, most things are like $2 or less. We've got a Verizon store, iFun. The anchor store over here used to be a Nordstrom's, and what has replaced Nordstrom's now is Target and Round One. The Round One Japanese bowling and arcade is down a level, so it's actually like down in the basement of the mall, which, as far as I can tell, that's the only thing down there. It's actually how I got in here. I parked in the parking structure and walked in through the Round One. Next to, which the entrance is right there, next to the Round One, there's a VR place, this immersive games box. We've got a Jins over here, which is a Japanese eyeglass place. So like lens crafters or something like that. If you need prescription glasses, you can get prescriptions glasses from Jins in 30 minutes. That is right. That's pretty fast. Okay. And over here we have Kizuki, Ramen, and Izakaya. This place has a long line of people waiting to sit here. But we'll, I just like, this is a cool, they've got like these cool Japanese lanterns in here. So they've done this place really well. Oh, we got the dragon right there. Hi there, Mr. Dragon. Okay, that place is popular. Zara. We've got a Big Apple store, though definitely the Big Apple store in San Francisco is around Union Square. It's a really impressive Apple store, I will say. So if you found yourself around Union Square and you're a lover of Apple, go check out that 2-story Apple store. This mall does have an open glass ceiling, so if we were here in the daytime, it's actually quite bright and lots of nice sunlight comes in. Parking is free, so that's a bonus in San Francisco. If you can find parking, that is. I would recommend the parking garage behind Target and Round One if you can't find anything in the surface slots. Here we've got Osim. They specialize in massage chairs. Get yourself a fancy massage chair, or just try out a fancy massage chair. Okay. Miniso. Pop Mart. So I guess Pop Mart does have a store down here. They just have the Pop Mart vending machine up there in case you don't have enough Labubu or cutesy things. We just passed a cell phone fix-it place, Smart Fix. A lot of people break their phones and cases. In the center, we've got Onigiri. They make onigiri, Japanese rice balls. This place is busy. Hi there, how you doing?
Hello,
We got dueling Osmos,
Yes.
yeah.
What are you doing here, sir?
What am I doing?
What are you doing? What is the move?
What is the move? I'm making a video, just a walking tour of the mall. What are you doing?
Really?
Yeah.
Sir, that's tough. Same thing. Osmo.
Same thing. All right, very good. Are you on
we got a
YouTube?
question for you, though,
What's,
sir.
what's your question?
Hello.
Hi there.
How you doing?
I'm well, and you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name's Chris. What's your name?
My name is Clip.
Clip.
Yeah.
Good to meet you, Clip.
Yes. So, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, thank you.
Yes.
And how are you?
I'm doing good.
This is good.
Good. Do you speak Russian?
I do not speak any Russian.
Unfortunate.
I know.
But what are you doing here today?
I was
It's
just
going on YouTube.
good. Great. It's on YouTube.
Is he saying a whole lot of nothing right now?
He is saying a whole lot of nothing. Yeah, but he's friendly. He's a nice guy. I was just gonna get dinner here. So, do you have any recommendations?
Oh, dinner here. You can go to. I don't know. I don't eat here.
You don't eat here.
No.
Okay.
My babushka makes my food.
Oh, all right. Very good. What channel is this gonna go on YouTube?
Eat
We
in
haven't
Thomas
made the
George.
channel yet.
Well, you don't have a channel yet.
Not yet, but soon.
Okay, sounds good.
process.
Okay, well
gonna be famous.
you will find this one on the Yellow Productions channel on
Yes, sir.
YouTube. Yellow Productions. Yeah, that's right. I've got a whole. Do you want a card? I'll give you a card.
Yes.
All right. Those
Do
aren't
you want
cards.
my
Those
card?
are
You have
stickers.
stickers, bro?
Yeah, I do
You
not.
want
I
my
have
card?
stickers too. I do have a yellow G-Shock. Yeah, that's right. You want a sticker instead? Okay. Well, I'll give one of you a card, so you've got the QR code for the channel. You want the business card? All right. There's the business card. Yeah.
Business one day, sir.
All right. And stickers.
We all finna represent. You be auditing or what's up? Like them people that be just like,
Yeah.
yeah?
Here's one for you. You're part of the Yellow Productions crew.
Wow.
You're part of the Yellow Productions crew. So are you. So are you.
What's going on the hat?
So are you.
So much. Oh my God.
All right. And so are you.
This is actually
All
a
right.
nice sticker.
Sounds
Oh.
good. Okay.
He wants one too.
Would you like a sticker? This is the sticker from my YouTube channel. It's called Yellow Productions. Nice to meet you. All right. Thank you. Here. Great to meet you.
Great to
All right.
meet you too,
Have a
sir.
good one. All right. Take care. All right. Thank you. Okay, that was an interesting encounter. All right, over here we have a Wanpo tea. This place has a really long line for their teas. We'll see it as we go around. The other way, Wanpo Tea Shop, there's a little shoe palace, a place that you can play VR games, a photo box in the corner that they call Podo Box. I feel like it's missing an H in there. Another phone repair place. They'll fix your phone in 15 to 45 minutes. That's a pretty good deal. All right, the Wanpo Tea Shop is from Taichung, Taiwan. I might have to come back here and get myself a tea. And there was a C's Candy behind us. K's Jewelers. We've got a few things over here. There's, actually we'll come back in that door to check out the final things that are over that way as we walk over this way first. All right, and good on good on those young gentlemen starting up their YouTube channel. Okay, Slime Kitchen over here, where you can like make your own slime. Well, if you're an adult, you probably wouldn't come here and make your own slime. But if you got kids, they can make their own slime. My daughter, the 6-year-old Curious Princess, would absolutely love making her own slime over here. We've got Vans on the right, Victoria's Secret on the left, Fever Hub? I don't know what a Fever Hub is. Here, we'll walk over and try to figure out what Fever Hub is. A nail, press-on nail store. Is it like a furniture? Get on board. C1. You'll be called soon. Boarding starts here. Titanic? Grand opening. A voyage through time. It's like a Titanic experience. Okay. All right. Not so sure, but okay. On the right, we have Uniqlo, a T-Mobile. Speaking of massage chairs, I wonder if these are from OSIM. On the upper floor, I did see it was actually quite popular for people sitting in these things. You can rent these little, not strollers, I guess you'd call them strollers, little buggies to zoom your kiddos around the mall. There's a salon, a nail salon, a hair salon, this is the salon corner. There are some seats for Boudin, because just behind the pillar over here is an outpost of Boudin Sourdough Bakery, the San Francisco institution. The original San Francisco sourdough originated in 1849, and they do make good sourdough clam chowder in bread bowls. Their flagship location is in Fisherman's Wharf that actually I just had dinner last night at. So we have a DSW shoes. And now, I question myself, is Nordstrom's was over there or Nordstrom's was over here? It's now been replaced by Whole Foods, a Sports Basement, and a Regal. So anyway, there was Nordstrom's here. That's now gone. There's a big fancy Whole Foods here. We can see right here the Stonestown Galleria Whole Foods. This one's open long hours, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if you need to do some grocery shopping, you can check that out. It also has a big eating area, do your Amazon returns. We've got the Xfinity phone store. They're also a, cable provider. Okay, so we're heading outside, but that doesn't mean we're done, because there's actually a bunch of stuff out here too on the exterior of the mall. This is the parking area. Again, looking at the free parking. Here's the Stonestown sign. There's a urgent care. The movie theater is upstairs. Looks like we've got a couple here doing their evening walk out at the mall to get some exercise. It's good. It's fresh air today in San Francisco. People bringing home their purchases back to their car. Like I said, with things being under construction, we, oh, cool, electric skateboard right there. It's even got a little blinky light on the back of it. So he's staying safe. All right. But, I got these two construction things here. As I said, I'm really interested to come back here like in another year or two and see all the new things that have come since then, because it is quite vibrant. Let me tell you, as compared to the Westfield San Francisco Centre, which, boy, that place is super sad. But this is not a video to slam the Westfield Center. Okay, we've got 85 Degrees C Bakery out here. This is a Taiwanese bakery from Taiwan. They've got cakes and breads and teas. I really like the mountain oolong milk tea, sea salt. High mountain sea salt oolong milk tea. I just put those words together and we get something like that. Okay, so out here to shoot, we got out here. We've got a Shake Shack. We've got a Marugame Udon for noodles, a Chipotle, a Peach Coffee, and a gigantic traffic jam. Okay, on the right is a Blaze Pizza that makes fast fire pizza. On the left, Rooster and Rice. They are a Thai chicken rice place that makes pretty good chicken rice. And a Quickly for boba milk tea. How many boba milk tea places are there in this place? There are a lot. They've also got dessert waffles, and then just next to it is Mochi Donuts that also sells soft serve ice cream. Well, all right, fellow explorers, if your travels are bringing you to San Francisco, you might enjoy checking out my San Francisco series right here, or another cool area in San Francisco. Check out Japantown right here. That's another cool set of shopping malls and a great hangout. Fellow explorers, as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video.